Hi, we're talking about skateboarding parts and maintenance, and we're going to talk about a common problem, which is the problem of wheel bite. Wheel bite is the term used to refer to the action of your wheel coming so far in contact that it actually rubs the deck and causes you to lose speed or lose balance. Looking at your deck underneath the wheels for burned and rubbed spots like this is a sign of wheel bite. To avoid wheel bite, either tighten your trucks up so there's not as much movement, or replace the bushings in your trucks with harder bushings that are more resistant to bending. A combination of the right bushings and the right truck tightness is key to avoiding wheel bite. Remember, check underneath all four wheels for rubbed or burned out spots as a sign of wheel bite, and adjust your trucks to the necessary strength that they need to be. Wheel bite is a common problem and can cause you to fall off your skateboard and become seriously injured. So check for the problem, do a little preventative maintenance, and you'll be skating your way to happiness.